Hi, Butterscotch. I love you. I love you. Hmm? You're so sweet. Hmm? You're beautiful. You're a pretty little girl. Huh? You're so comfortable in there, huh? I love you. I love you, you monkey. She's so relaxed. You're so relaxed. I love you. You are naughty moo. You little butterball. You're so cute. Why are you so cute, huh? Are you silly kitty? I love you. Manari moo, kuklaki moo. You're sitting upside down. You're comfortable, huh? You're comfortable, kitty? Look at you. Oh, sweetheart. You're so